Mumbai, a city where dreams get bigger in the skyscrapers. The slums you stare down at are filled with dreams burning. While you see abundance in one corner, there is severe poverty in the other. In this modern enigmatic city, you often find the youth of today enjoying their lives at clubs, cinemas and restaurants. Among these young children, there is one girl, a mere 15-year-old, who has the vision that she could make a difference to lives of other individuals. The city, despite the rich and famous, despite its glamour and shine, has numerous people who do not even get the basic healthcare facilities and often malnourished. There are children who have no access to schools and often grow up in an unhealthy atmosphere with no education or vocational skills. In order to alleviate this strata of society, to provide them with the fundamentals of education and medical aid, the Samvedana organization was conceptualized. Samvedana is not just an idea, it is a philosophy that has been coined by Nikhar herself, passion for compassion. Nikhar, the philanthropist, responsible for putting a smile on 1,000 faces, was inspired by just one innocent face.
As I was sitting at the footsteps of my house, my world seemed blurry from my tear-brimmed eyes. A father who had passed away, a mother and grandmother to house and feed, and no financial support. How was I ever going to educate myself to be the pillar of my family? Just then appeared a ray of hope, and to my astonishment, a young girl who paid heed to my predicament. She inspired me.
This young girl was none other than Nikhar, who was visiting the slum with her father. Upon hearing about this girl's terrible misfortune, just at the tender age of 13, Nikhar took it upon herself to educate this girl. This is how Samvedana saw the light of day and has now been the beacon of light in countless underprivileged kids' lives by nurturing them with a sound education. Samvedana realized the importance of child education and skills for children. Hence, the founder Nikhar, who loves kids, takes time out to teach the underprivileged through art and writing. The kids adore Nikhar, and their parents are grateful that their children are learning, which perfectly utilizes their time and channelizes their energy. Samvedana has been the foundation for building the kids' future and making them responsible citizens. I was a clueless teenager until I got involved with Samvedana, and they motivated me and enhanced my skills. Thanks to Samvedana, today I feel I can achieve anything. In order to widen the scope of the organization, Nikhar realized the need for additional funds. She combined her sharp business acumen and painting skills to organize an art fundraising event. With the generous contribution of the donors, which included a number of celebrities, she raised a significant amount to help in the aid of her kids. She was appreciated not only for her art, but also for her devotion to the cause.
I'm really happy about the fact my fundraiser, the art auction that was held recently, could raise enough funds for allowing them to have a site for themselves.
Can't believe that she started the Samvedana Foundation when she was 13, which is amazing. At 13, I was like being a jungli on some street playing I don't know what.
इसमें each and every painting was amazing. I can't believe मतलब जितना talent मुझे पता था है इनमें उससे कहीं ज़्यादा निकला.
Nikhar is so talented, and just seeing her work, and I think the great cause that she's doing it for at the age of 13 to even think to start an NGO.
पेंटिंग्स खूबसूरत हैं. पेंटिंग से ज़्यादा कॉज और इनिशिएटिव खूबसूरत.
I usually paint according to what I see last. So if I see something that I find visually different or there's something unique about it, I usually paint according to that. But I usually make it really abstract, create an abstract version of it because I personally find that a lot more appealing.
अच्छी पेंटिंग्स तो हैं आज, लेकिन उसके पीछे जो थॉट है वो और भी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है.
If you're using your creativity to raise funds for charity, I think that's an amazing thing. That's really what it's all about.
Samvedana has adopted many slum tenements across Mumbai. The foundation organized free medical camps, donation drives, provision of supplies, building basic infrastructure, and creating awareness about key issues like health and hygiene. From the art fundraiser, Nikhar started a drive to uproot blurry vision and bring light to the people who were suffering from cataract.
Nikhar Tandon came to our area. She spoke to a large section of underprivileged people and conducted a health camp for us.
Nikhar Tandon visited our huts 2 months back and spoke to many people there and found out the problems the poor are facing.
Came to realize the basic medical problems or issues that they had to deal with, and according to their financial conditions or restrictions, they couldn't exactly heed to their needs.
These people are laborers, most of whom are on a temporary job. Their worry is if they can make it to the next meal. They have families of 6, sometimes even 10, that they are looking after. If they have a cataract or any one of their family members do, putting the money together for the surgery is out of the question. When your concern is your basic food, spending on cataract is not even a fleeting thought.
Nikhar Tandon came to me when I'd lost all hope of ever being able to see properly again. She took me to the hospital to get my eye operation done. This young girl has come into my life as a God-sent angel. Aside from my heartfelt Ashirwad, I have nothing that I can offer her. May God fulfill all her dreams.
I was personally really surprised about the fact that this surgery only takes around 15 to 20 minutes and isn't very expensive. But the fact that the underprivileged sector can't afford this, and it just seemed unfair.
Getting the money for this surgery was never possible. Samvedna helped us to do. Today, I can see only because of Nikhar and Samvedna. Thanks to them.
If these people wouldn't have done their cataract surgery, they could have even lost their vision.
Working with the underprivileged helps me more than it helps them. It allows me a new perspective to think, and along with their blessings, I see myself grow not only as an individual in the society but as a person.
Life had been very unfair to Jagdish Nagvekar and his wife by snatching all their 3 sons, one to cancer, one to a train accident, and one succumbed to disease. They were at the mercy of their friends and relatives as their cataract prevented them from supporting themselves. It was then they met Nikhar while she was visiting their slums, and now with the help of Samvedna, both have got their surgery done and are able to see the world clearly.
The word Samvedna encapsulates a sense of compassion. It doesn't stem so much from sympathy as it does from fellow feeling and empathy. It doesn't aim to say I feel for you, but to reach out and assure that I feel the same as you do. The motto thus is, our passion is compassion, and is a manifestation of this compassion in action. The organization strives not only to lend a hand, but to work hand in hand with the underprivileged.
When you have a belief and passion about something, every task, whether big or small, becomes easy. Nikhar, being young and passionate about Samvedna, shows that anyone, irrespective of age, caste or creed, can bring a change. Samvedna believes that if we educate the society, then India will become a better country, and providing a prompt medical service to the people will keep the nation healthy.
At such a young age, she is dedicated and committed to helping poor people. For people like us, people like Nikhar is how God shows up at our doorstep. May God give her a long and prosperous life.
We as eye surgeons do surgeries which is a part of our job, but an organization like Samvedna and especially Nikhar Tandon, they're doing something that is out of the box. That is what they are not really expected to be doing for the society, but they're still doing a lot of activities for the underprivileged group of the society, who otherwise without their help would really not be able to access to such good quality eye care or such good quality surgeries.
You know what she's managed to do with not just her creativity but also her empathy, I think, for other people is wonderful.
God has given her a golden heart. She feels for the poor and works for them. She's really done a lot for us.
Samvedna has done a lot for our community. I would like to thank them.
है ना बाजू में पढ़ता है बुक्स लेके लिखता भी है.
Children study and they even write. Thanks to Samvedna, their energies are channelized in a constructive work. Our children study in class 3, 4, and even class 12. Thanks to Samvedna, due to which we could send them for decent jobs.
There are those that look at things and ask, why? I dream of things that never were and ask, why not?